So good evening guys. So in last class we have seen about the relative motion, right, and the problems on relative motion, and we'll do one more problem on that, the topic relative motion, and then we'll go for the next topic, the horizontal projection. Okay. So now the question is, the speed of a boat is 5 km/h in still water. It crosses a river of width 1 km along the shortest possible path in 15 minutes. So what we have seen yesterday, like when we are in the shortest path, I should follow one diagram. When we are in shortest time, I should follow one more diagram. Like two diagrams are there to keep in mind. I'll explain once again. This is my shortest path diagram. So if I start with some angle, I'll reach exactly in this point. Okay. So this is point A, point B and point C. This is for shortest path. Then shortest time in the sense, I'll start exactly straight manner, but I'll reach with some angle due to the flow of the river. Okay. Point A, B and C. So now if I want to denote the velocities, no, this is my velocity of boat with respect to river, velocity of boat with respect to ground, velocity of river with respect to ground. Or else if they are giving man or a swimmer, man with respect to river, man with respect to ground, river with respect to ground. What about here? The same thing, okay, same variables we are going to use there also. Velocity of the boat with respect to river, velocity of the boat with respect to ground, velocity of the river with respect to ground. Okay. The only thing is, what happens here? Here is sine will be changed, cos will be changed and tan will be changed. Here what is sine? Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is velocity of the river with respect to ground by velocity of the boat with respect to river. But in this case, opposite is velocity of the river with respect to ground, but hypotenuse is boat with respect to ground. Here boat with respect to river, boat with respect to ground. Okay. This is for time, shortest time and shortest path. Now what they are asking, shortest possible path, no. So I should take the first diagram now. I will take the first diagram, and speed of a boat 5 km/h in still water, which means what they are saying is velocity of the boat with respect to water should be equals to 5 km/h. Okay, still in water, no, still in water in the sense I need to take with respect to water. Okay, so the diagram will be, this is my diagram, no, this is the angle theta here. Okay, and they have given that width of the river is, this is my width 1 km. So this is the velocity of boat with respect to river, boat with respect to ground, river with respect to ground, and they are asking velocity of the river with respect, velocity of the river. Okay, so I need to find this one, no, I need to find this one. Velocity of the river with respect to ground is nothing but, velocity of the river with respect to ground is nothing but velocity of the river minus velocity of the ground, where velocity of the ground is 0. It's always constant only, no, it won't change. Okay. So time is given as 15 minutes. So time is equals to 15 minutes. Everything is in kilometer and hours. I need to change this also in hours, which is nothing but 1/4 of hour, no. 1 second of hour is nothing but half an hour. We'll say 1/2 is half an hour. 1/4 is 15 minutes. Okay. So 1/4 is nothing but 0.25. Right now, 0.25 hours. This is my time. Okay, this is my time. Now we know the kilometer, like the width we know, time we know, and velocity of boat with respect to river we know. Okay, so is there anything to find here? I can find this one, no, velocity of a boat with respect to ground. I have like started here and ended here, right? No, like in this way I need to, like I have started but I have ended in this way. They are telling that shortest possible path. So I should consider this velocity. For this velocity, this is my distance and this is my time. So what we know, velocity is nothing but displacement by time. So can I find what is that velocity of this one? If I know this velocity, and already they have given this velocity, by using these two, hypotenuse theorem I can use, no? I can find the velocity of the river. Can we do now? So, velocity of the boat with respect to ground is equals to displacement by time. Here the displacement is 1 kilometer and the time is 0.25. Fine, no? So, can I multiply this one by 100 by 100 so that I can eliminate the points over here? So, 100 by 25, which is nothing but 1 times, and this is 4 times. So, 4 kilometer per hour is the velocity of the boat with respect to ground. Got it? So, easily we can say that like this is 3 kilometer, they have told, no? Yeah, it's 5 kilometer, this is 4 kilometer. Obviously, it will be a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So, easily like by doing only we will get the answer. So, velocity of the river with respect to ground the whole square plus velocity of the boat with respect to ground the whole square is equals to velocity of the boat with respect to river the whole square. Yes, no? Hypotenuse side one side and remaining other side. So, we know that velocity of the boat with respect to ground, what it is? 4. 4 square should be equals to 25 square, and this one I don't know, velocity of the river with respect to ground, right? So, velocity of the river with respect to ground is equals to 5 square, no, this is 5 square. So, 25 minus 16 under root. So, 9. So, under root 9 will be 3. So, 3 kilometer per hour is the answer for velocity of the river, velocity of the water. Got it? You can note it down. So, any doubts in this? Can we go for the next topic? So, the next one is rain man problem. Okay. So, we know that a person is walking in horizontal way, right? No, a person is walking in horizontal way. Like if he is walking in a road, we say that it's a horizontal way, no? So, obviously person will walk in this direction, no, either front or back. So, this is horizontal way, right? A person cannot walk in this way, no, like vertical. Yes, no? So, horizontally he is walking. So, either it can be this direction or this direction, anything, okay? And obviously rain will be falling vertically towards down, right? No? Now, we know like velocity of the rain with respect to man I need to get, which is nothing but formula is velocity of the rain minus velocity of the man. Yes, no? Yesterday we have seen that if they are asking velocity of A with respect to B is equals to, what is the first one? Velocity of A. Second one is velocity of the B. Similarly, R, M they have given, rain and man. So, velocity of the rain, velocity of the man. Okay. So man is walking in this direction and rain is falling in this direction. Okay. So this is my velocity of the rain and this is my velocity of the man. Okay. Now this is okay. They have given that velocity of the man as negative. No, I can take like this, velocity of the rain plus minus velocity of the man. So I will take in the negative direction. So this is my velocity of the man. So resultant will be in this direction. No, this is my resultant. Sorry. So this is my resultant, velocity of the rain with respect to man. Okay. So if rain is falling in this direction, if a man is walking in this direction, he need to hold his umbrella in this direction. Right now, you need to hold the umbrella in this direction. So this is the main concept of rain and man problem. So in which side or which angle I should hold the umbrella when rain is falling. Okay, when a man is walking backward or when a man is walking forward, if rain falling with some angle, whatever it is, and in which direction I should hold the umbrella. This is the main concept of the rain and man problem. Okay, so main thing you need to keep remember is velocity of the rain with respect to man, that is formula is VR minus VM. Okay, and keep remember this diagram, rain is falling vertically downward and man is going in horizontal direction. Okay, so in this direction you need to hold the umbrella. Okay, so next one we will see the projection from height. Projection from height h. So till now we have talked about a projectile motion when a person standing in the ground. Okay, so this was my diagram now for that. So a person has been projected some object with velocity u by making an angle with respect to horizontal, that is theta. So object will start from this point to and this point it will reach, that is said to be range. Right now range, the maximum distance or displacement as taken in y direction is said to be height. Okay, height. Right now a person is standing in the building of height h. Okay, so this is the person, a stick man is standing here and he is throwing something, so it will reach in this direction. No, if he is throwing like this, it will reach in this direction. Right now, so what are the things I can assume here? What are the things are there? One is range is there. Right now, range is nothing but how much distance or displacement it has been traveled in the horizontal direction. One is how much time it has been taken to reach that point, which is nothing but object is in the air. Okay, object is in the travel in the air, we will say time of flight. Okay, so one I can find is range, second one is time of flight, and third one is equation of projectile or equation of path in both x and y. Like in previous case, now this case we have got equation of path, which is nothing but y is equals to x tan theta minus gx square by 2u square cos square theta. Right now equation of projection will say, no, or equation of path. Okay, trajectory. Okay, now in this what are the things are available? One is ux is there, like without horizontal velocity I can't throw that. If I leave, it is a free falling body. Okay, if I leave the object, it will be a free falling body, it will reach exactly in the vertical part. Okay, I need to throw the object in this direction, ux velocity is there. What about uy? Initially uy is not there, I am not throwing in this direction or in the angle, I am throwing just like this. Okay, so uy will not be there. Right now ux is there, uy is not there. What about ax? Is ax is there? Like acceleration due to gravity in horizontal direction, is anything is there? If I am walking, is any gravity is opposing me in horizontal direction? Nothing, right? So there is no horizontal acceleration, but there is a vertical acceleration. This is what, like this is why the object is going down. Yes, no? Otherwise it will be in a straight manner only, no? So horizontal, vertical acceleration is there, that is gravity. So these are the things are there. Now we will go for the kinematic equations. We will take separately for vertical, separately for horizontal. So ux is there, uy is equals to 0 and ax is equals to 0, ay is equals to g, positive g. Okay, positive g only, no, it's coming towards down only, no. Okay, now kinematic equations, v is equals to u plus at, s is equals to ut plus of at square, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. These are the equations, no. Now let me find what is the path in y axis, what is the path in x axis. So let me take first y axis. So s is equals to ut plus of at square, which is nothing but height h. Okay, in y direction height only, no, h is equals to uy, no, uyt plus of ayt square, which is nothing but uy is 0, I can neglect this out, right, now, of gt square, of gt square, no, that's it. So what about here, 2h by g under root will be my time. Got it? I have taken this to this side, 2h will come, g to the denominator, 2h by g, t square will be under root. So this is my time of flight. Okay, this is the time taken to reach the down. Okay, now let me take for the range now. Okay, range, x is equals to, or r is equals to, let me take, r is equals to uxt plus of axt square. This one will become 0 because ax is not there. Like 0 into something will be again 0. What else is there? Ux is there. What is t here? Time of flight I can write like this, no, root over 2h by g. This is my range now. Got it? This is my range and this is my time of flight. Any doubt over here now? So if they are asking for equation of trajectory, no, I should consider in terms of y and x. So h will be my y, r will be my x. Yes, no? So let me write that same equation here. So y will be equals to 1 by 2 gt square, right now, and x will be equals to uxt. See, h is nothing but in y direction, r is nothing but in x direction. So I have taken r as x and h as y to find the equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory is nothing but in terms of x and y it should be there. Okay, now I can take this like this, no, t is equals to x by u, t is equals to x by u. I have taken t, so ux, velocity of ux. Okay, now I will take this t and substitute here. Can I substitute like this? So y will be equals to 1 by 2 g into x by u the whole square, where it will become 1 by 2 g x square by u square. G x square by 2u square will be my equation of trajectory. Okay, so in that case, what was the equation of trajectory? Y is equals to x tan theta minus 1 by 2 g x square by 2u, I mean u2 we have written u square cos square theta. Okay, copy down first. So now we got time, range and equation of trajectory, no. So we will go for the problems of PYQs now. We will see one problem over this topic and we will go for the PYQs of this motion in a plane. Okay, completed. see here, an aeroplane moving horizontally with a speed of 180 kilometer per hour. So which is nothing but some plane is there, it's moving in horizontal direction. No, they are saying that in horizontal direction it's going like this, no, which is 180 kilometer per hour. Drops a food packet while traveling at a height of, so it is traveling from the ground surface, that is height of 490 meters, right now 490 meter. So it is traveling and it is dropping like this, so it will reach in this direction, no? Yes or no? If I am standing here, if I drop something, it will go down, but I am moving like this. For example, bus is moving. In a running bus, if a person gets down, in which direction he will start move? He will start moving in the same direction which bus goes, no? The same concept only, no? A plane is going in this direction, I am dropping something out, so it will travel in this direction only, right, no? So it will travel in this exact, like in this direction, parabolic path, no? Now the horizontal range of the packet they are asking, so range they are asking, no? So how can I find the range now? What is the formula for the range? Ux into t, right, no? What is the time of flight now? T is equals to root over 2h by g, right, now 2h by g is the formula. We know that here they have given 490, no? Like if I take 492 times, 98 will come. So can I take up directly 9.8 as the acceleration here due to gravity? No need to take 10. So I will take under root of 2 into 490 divided by 9.8. Got it? I will take now multiply by 10 by 10, because I need to eliminate that point over here. Okay. So divide by, root over 2 into 4900 divided by 98, 1 times and 2 times. This is 1 time and this is 1 time. So under root of 100 is I am getting. So time will be equals to 10 seconds. So I got time as 10. Now range formula we know that R is equals to U into T. U into T, right, no? So what is U? 180. Right, no? 180. What is the given thing here? Like everything in meters, no? Height is given 490. Okay. So 180 into 10, which is nothing but 1800. So it should be taken as 18 double zero, no? Yes. Is there any kilo? Yeah, it is kilometer per hour, no? Wait. It's a kilometer per hour. So I need to convert into meter per second. So meter per second in the sense R is equals to U into T. U will be equals to 18 into 180 into 5 by 18. Okay, meter per second. So 1 times and this is 10 times. So it is 50. So R is equals to 50 into 10, which is nothing but 500 meter. Option C. Got it? They have given that 180 kilometer per hour. Okay, and this is 490 meters, and answer also in meters. So convert everything into meters per second only, meters and seconds. Can we go for the next one? Done? Okay. Here is the question. It's a PYQ question, okay? 2021. A car starts from a rest. So which means first we'll write the given terms over here, okay? Whatever they have given, we will write down. So car starts at rest. So U will be equals to 0. Right, now initial velocity will be 0 and accelerates at 5 meter per second square. So A will be equals to 5 meter per second square At time t is equals to 4 seconds, a ball has been dropped out of a window by a person sitting in the car. Now what they are saying is, a car is there, it's moving like this, no? Initially it was in rest and it started moving with acceleration 5 meter per second. So can I take this as horizontal acceleration, that is 5 meter per second square, and when it's going, no, it has been dropped like this, dropped. Now what is the velocity and acceleration of the ball at time t is equal to 6 seconds they are asking. Okay, time t is equal to 6 seconds. So at time t is equals to 6 seconds, I need to find what is the velocity and what is the acceleration. Got it? Got the question? No? Now we will solve it. Let me take that here initial velocity is 0. I need to find velocity both the side. No, object, like object is traveling in this direction also, in this direction also, no? Yes, no? If it is falling, no, it need to travel both the plane, no, like x and y. Yes or no? So I need to get what is the velocity in x direction, what is the velocity in y direction. So the resultant I will get it. Got it? The resultant I will get it. So first one, v is equals to u plus at. Can I use? I know u, I know a, I know t also. What is a here? 5 meter per second. Let me take this as a equation. I will write it for the horizontal direction. So vx will be equals to ux plus axt. Okay, and similarly I need to get for vy is equals to uy plus ayt. What is ay now? Acceleration due to gravity, no? I am just dropping like this. Object will go in this direction only. If I like if a car is at rest, if I drop something, it will go down directly. I am moving forward, no? If I drop something, it will come little bit with me only and it will go down, right? No. So in this acceleration in horizontal it is 5 they have told, but they have not told about the vertical, no. The vertical thing I should take it as gravity. Due to gravity only it's falling down, no? Okay. So I should take ay as 10 meter per second square. Got it? 10 meter per second square. Right now? Now what will be the velocity over here? I need to find both the velocities. So initially at rest 0. So Vx will be equals to what is Ax?
5 meters per second.
So it is 5. I mean Ax is 5. But what about the time? Time I should take it as 6 or 4. See, at 4 seconds a ball has been dropped out. Right now, at 4 seconds only ball has been dropped out. And what is the velocity and acceleration at the ball at 6 seconds they are asking. Okay, 6 seconds they are asking. Now what I should do, I should take it as a 4 only. When a car is car is going with some acceleration and some velocity, at particular time they have kept the ball out. Now, so I should calculate this one. So 20 meter per second will be my velocity in x direction. I need to get y direction also. So uy will be 0. Initial velocity will be 0. Right now? Now 10. But if I see the difference now, 4 seconds and 6 seconds, 2 seconds will be the time taken to go down. No, I have dropped the ball at 4 seconds, but a ball has been went down at time is equal to 6 seconds. How much time it has been taken? 2 seconds. So it will be 2. So it is 20 meter per second. Right now, Vx and Vy we got. Now the thing is, V will be equals to under root of Vx square plus Vy square, which is equals to root over 20 square plus 20 square, which is nothing but 20 square I can take commonly outside, 1 plus 1. So square and root will get cancelled, 20 into root 2. This is my velocity. Okay, the thing you should understand here is why we have taken 4 seconds and why we have taken 2 seconds there. Here 4 seconds, at 4 seconds only we have dropped the ball, but after dropping, no, the time taken to reach that ball down is 2 seconds. That is time t is equal to 6 seconds, a ball has been went down. Okay, that's why we have taken 4 here and 2 there. Okay, now the acceleration. Sorry. Now the acceleration, no. A will be equals to under root of ax square plus ay square. What they are asking at t is equals to 6 seconds. So they are saying that object like a car is moving with 5 meter per second square, but that ball is not moving with 5 meter per second square at that time t is equals to 6 seconds. So ax will be equals to 0, ay will be equals to 10 only. Acceleration due to gravity will be 10 only, no. So root over 0 square plus 10 square, which is nothing but root over 10 square is equals to 10. So what will be my answer over here? Option 1 will be my answer. 20 root 2 meter per second, 10 meter per second square. We'll go for the next question. Okay. A bullet is fired from a gun at a speed of 280 meter per second. So they have told that the speed of a bullet is nothing but 280 meter per second in the direction 30 degree above the horizontal, which means what I should consider with respect to horizontal 30 degree. Okay. Excuse me. So above the horizontal, no, above the horizontal in the sense above the horizontal, that's it. Okay, with respect to horizontal, the maximum height attained by the bullet is. So now the bullet will go in this direction. Okay, now what will be the height they are asking? We know that formula h is equals to u square sine square theta by 2g. Right now, what is u square? It is 280 square sine square, now sine 30, 1 by 2 the whole square, divide by how much it is? G 9.8 they have told, 9.8 into 2. Got it? So if you solve this one, we will get the answer. Okay. So what they have told, take 0.5 they have told, no. We will take a 0.5. So obviously 1 by 2 is 0.5 only, no. Yeah. So 280 the whole square into 0.5 the whole square divide by 2 into 9.8. So if we calculate this, we will get the value for maximum height. So give the value first. Can I write like this? No. See, 280 into 280 into 0.5, no, 5 by 10 I can write, no, 5 by 10. So 5 into 5 divide by 10 into 10 into 2 into 9.8. Okay. So this 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled out. Now you give the answer. Option B will be my answer. Okay. See, once and this is 14 and this is 4.9 and this is again 14. Right now? Now you calculate it. 14 how much? 196. 196 into 25. So 1000 you are getting. Okay, you will get 1000 as the answer. Okay, no? So we will solve one more question here. A speed of a swimmer is still in water. Okay. Speed of a swimmer still in water, which means velocity of the swimmer with respect to water is equals to 20 meter per second. Right now, that's the meaning. The speed of the river water is, so velocity of the river with respect to ground is equals to 10 meter per second, is flowing due to east. So which is east? In this direction will be my east, right now. So this is my river which is flowing in this direction, and what is the thing they are saying? If is standing like a person standing on the south bank, person standing in the south bank on the and wishes to cross the river along the shortest path. Shortest path in the sense, this is my diagram, right now, shortest path diagram. The angle at which he should make his stroke with respect to north is given by. So at which angle he should take to reach the shortest path. Okay, I need to find what is the angle over here. So this is my velocity of the swimmer with respect to river, velocity of the river with respect to, no, this is velocity of the swimmer with respect to ground, and this is velocity of the river with respect to ground. Okay. So sin theta will be equals to opposite by hypotenuse, velocity of the river by velocity of the swimmer with respect to river. So what are the things they have given? I know the velocity of the river with respect to ground, velocity of the swimmer with respect to river. So I can use sin theta only over here. So river how much? 10. Swimmer with respect to river 20. So 0 0 will get cancelled, 1 by 2. In which angle, sin 1 by 2 will come? 30. Right now 30. So when I notice this one, no, north, south, east, and this is west. So I need to go in this direction. Right now 30 degree west, if we start, it will reach exactly north. So option A will be the answer. Okay. So with this, we'll stop the motion in a plane, and in next session now we'll start with laws of motion. Okay. We'll meet in next class, guys. Bye bye.